iCloud backup now working on your iPhone in iOS 17? No need to worry. Follow these easy and advanced troubleshooting processes to fix iCloud backup now working after the recent update. So let's get started. Method 1. Check iCloud storage. Open Settings. Tap on Apple ID. Tap iCloud. Now check your storage capacity. Make sure you have enough storage to complete your backup. After that, scroll down. Tap iCloud Backup. Make sure it's enabled. Method 2. Check and fix the internet connection. Make sure your internet is working fine. Open up a browser and go to any website you wish. If it's not loading, then turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds. Then turn back off. And after having a stable internet, check your issue. Method 3. Restart your iPhone. Give a simple reset on your iPhone. Often only giving a simple restart on the iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Method 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Reset network settings. But make sure this will reset all of your network settings and will back to default values. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After doing these processes, hope your iCloud backup now working problem will be solved. Now if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.